Welcome to Unlock Greatness Today. Are you ready to take control of your habits and transform your life? In this video, we're diving into 7 powerful steps to break free from bad habits, reprogram your mind, and unlock your full potential. These strategies aren't just ideas, they're actionable steps you can start today. Let's get into it. The first step to breaking bad habits is understanding the enemy within. The enemy isn't external, it's the doubts, fears, and negative thoughts that hold you back. We often let these inner obstacles run the show, keeping us in cycles of procrastination, self-doubt, and negativity. Think of self-awareness like a flashlight. It reveals what's hiding in the corners of your mind. When you catch yourself repeating negative patterns, don't ignore them. Ask yourself, why? What's triggering this behavior? By identifying the root cause, you take the first step toward breaking free. Next, let's talk about reprogramming your mind. Your current habits are tied to your identity, how you see yourself. For example, if you tell yourself, I'm bad at staying focused, guess what? You'll stay bad at it. But here's the good news, you can shift your identity. Start by saying, I am a focused and disciplined person. Yes, it might feel strange at first, but stick with it. Daily actions, no matter how small, reinforce this new identity. Want to be a disciplined person? Spend 5 minutes meditating every day or journaling. These small wins compound into major transformations over time. Life is unpredictable. No matter how much you plan, surprises are inevitable. Instead of resisting chaos, learn to embrace it. Think of a river during a storm. It doesn't fight the current, it flows with it. Similarly, when challenges arise, take a moment to pause and accept that change is part of life. Start small. When things feel chaotic, pause, breathe, and remind yourself that chaos can lead to growth. Every time you face the unexpected with calm, you build resilience and inner strength. Here's a game changer. Focus on systems, not just goals. While goals are great for direction, systems create the consistency you need for lasting success. For example, if your goal is to be more mindful, your system could include meditating for 10 minutes each morning or practicing gratitude every evening. When you focus on systems, you stop worrying about the end result and start mastering the daily actions that lead you there. Over time, these habits become second nature, and success follows naturally. Self-command is the ability to control your emotions and actions instead of letting them control you. Imagine someone criticizes you harshly. Your immediate reaction might be anger or defensiveness. But with self-command, you can pause, reflect, and choose a thoughtful response that aligns with your values. Practicing self-command takes effort, but it's life-changing. Start by identifying moments that trigger emotional reactions, pause, take 3 deep breaths, and then respond with clarity. Over time, this habit becomes second nature. Comfort feels safe, but staying in your comfort zone keeps you stuck. Growth happens when you step into discomfort. Think about a time when you achieved something meaningful. Chances are, it wasn't easy. Start small, wake up earlier, try something new, or take on a challenge you've been avoiding. Each time you step outside your comfort zone, you become more resilient, adaptable, and confident. Discipline becomes effortless when it's tied to a deeper purpose. Ask yourself, why does this matter? When your actions align with your core values, discipline stops feeling like a chore and starts feeling like a source of fulfillment. Find your why. It's the fuel that keeps you going. There you have it. 7 steps to break bad habits and unlock your greatness. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your life transform. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.